When a continuous frequency distribution is given, mean deviation about median. The mean deviation of continuous frequency distribution is obtained by first identifying the class in which median lies, that is, median class, and then applying the formula median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus C into H whole divided by F, where median class is the class interval whose cumulative frequency is just greater than or equal to n by 2. Here, what is n? N is 50. 50 by 2 is 25. 25 will lie in the cumulative frequency 28. Therefore, median class is 20 to 30. N is the sum of frequencies, that is 50. L is the lower limiter of the median class, that is 20. F is the frequency corresponding to median class, that is 14. H is the width of the median class. So what is the width of interval 20 to 30? That is 10. C is the cumulative frequency of the class just preceding the median class. Which is the median class? 20 to 30. Okay. So therefore, C is the cumulative frequency of the class just preceding the median class. So that is 14, which you can see in the green color. After finding the median, the absolute values of deviations of midpoint xi of each class from the median are obtained. Then mean deviation about median is equal to 1 by n into sigma fi into absolute values of xi minus m I is equal to from 1 to n. Exercise 15.1, question number 11. Find the mean deviation about the median for the following data. Marks 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and number of girls 6, 8, 14, 16, 4, 2. Solution. Let us take given data. Sum of all frequencies n is equal to 50. Cumulative frequency of corresponding classes are 6, 14, 28, 44, 48, 50. The class interval containing 50 by 2th, that is 25th item, is 20 to 30. Because 25 lies in cumulative frequency 28, corresponding to that cumulative frequency class interval is 20 to 30. Therefore, 20 to 30 is the median class. Here L is equal to 20, lower limit of the median class. F is equal to 14 corresponding frequency of median class. C is equal to 14 cumulative frequency of class preceding to median class. H is equal to 10, that is the size of class, and n is equal to 50. Therefore, median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus C divided by F into H is equal to 20 plus 25 minus 14 divided by 14 into 10 is equal to 20 plus 55 by 7 is equal to 20 plus 7.857, that is 27.86. Next column is for midpoints of each class, that is xi. 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. Next column is absolute values of xi minus m or xi minus median. For the first class interval, absolute value of 5 minus 27.86 is equal to 22.86. Absolute value of 15 minus 27.86 is equal to 12.86. Absolute value of 25 minus 27.86 is equal to 2.86. Absolute value of 35 minus 27.86, that is 7.14. Absolute value of 45 minus 27.86, that is 17.14. Absolute value of 55 minus 27.86, that is 27.14. Next column is for Fi into absolute values of xi minus m, that is 6 into 22.86 multiply. That is 137.16. 8 into 12.86, 102.88. 14 into 2.86, that is 40.04. 16 into 7.14 is equal to 114.24. 4 into 17.14 that is 68.56. 2 into 27.14, that is 54.28. What about the sum of all these values? Please try to calculate. That is summation of Fi into absolute values of xi minus m is equal to 517.16. Therefore, mean deviation about median is equal to 1 by n into sigma Fi into absolute values of xi minus m is equal to 517.16 divided by 50. What is the simplification? That is 10.34. Question number 12. Calculate the mean deviation about median age for the age distribution of 100 persons given below. Classes are 16 to 20, 21 to 25, 26 to 30, 31 to 35, 36 to 40, 41 to 45, 46 to 50, 51 to 55, and corresponding frequencies are 5, 6, 12, 14, 26, 12, 16, 9. Here, classes are not given continuously. We should make classes continuous by taking true lower limit and true upper limits of each class. How it is possible? We have to subtract 0.5 from lower limit of each class and add 0.5 to the upper limit of each class. Solution. Let us take classes continuously. First class interval is 15.5 to 20.5. Next, 20.5 to 25.5, 25.5 to 30.5, 30.5 to 35.5, 35.5 to 40.5, 40.5 to 45.5, 45.5 to 50.5, 50.5 to 55.5. Corresponding frequencies are 5, 6, 12, 14, 26, 12, 16, 9. What about sum of all frequencies? 100. Let us go to cumulative frequency of each class. 5, 11, 23, 37, 63, 75, 91, 100. The class containing 100 by tooth, that is 50th item, lies in the cumulative frequency 63. Corresponding to that cumulative frequency, class interval is 35.5 to 40.5. Therefore, 35.5 to 40.5 is the median class. Here, L is equal to 35, that is lower limit of the median class. F is equal to 26, C is equal to 37, H is equal to 5 and N is equal to 100. Therefore, median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus C into H whole divided by F is equal to 35.5 plus 50 minus 37 divided by 26 into 5 is equal to 35.5 plus 13 by 26 into 5 is equal to 35.5 plus 5 by 2 is equal to 35.5 plus 2.5 is equal to 38. Now let us go to mid values of each class, that is xi. 18, 23, 28, 33, 38, 43, 48, 53. Next column is absolute values of xi minus m. First one is absolute value of 18 minus 38, that is 20. Next 15, 10, 5, 0, 5, 10, 50. Next column fi into absolute values of xi minus m. Five into 20, 100, 6 into 50, 90, 12 into 10, 120, 14 into 5, 70, 26 into 0, 0, 12 into 5, 60, 16 into 10, 160, 9 into 15, 135. Try to find the sum of these values. That is sigma fi into absolute values of xi minus m is equal to 735. Therefore, mean deviation about median is equal to 1 by n into sigma fi into absolute values of xi minus m is equal to 735 divided by 100 is equal to 7.35.